What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing another That Spider-Man Booth.com mystery box. Let's just get these opened up. Alright, let's open up the first box. And the first comic is Final Crisis, 1 of 5. Next comic on here, Batman Who Laughs. It's a cool cover. Next comic on here, that's 9. Oh. Next comic, Amazing Fantasy. Nice. And the last comic on here for the first box, Batman. So that's the first box. Pretty cool comics. Let's open up the second one. First comic on here, Firestorm. Then we got Venom. Pretty cool. Next comic, Reach, round 2. It's Superman. Next comic, Year of the Villain, Joker. Got Harley Quinn over there. Pretty cool. And the last comic, Batman, Deceased number 1. It's pretty cool. That's everything for these two boxes at SpidermanBooth.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys next time.